In 1990, a 28-year-old dropout built the most ruthless boiler room on Wall Street. Jordan Belfort's Stratton Oakman looked legitimate from the outside, but inside, young brokers made 1,000 cold calls a day, pushing worthless stocks with military precision. They'd pump up penny stocks with fake hype, then dump them for massive profits. Celebrities endorsed companies that barely existed. While investors lost everything, Belfort's crew lived like rock stars. Private jets, yacht parties, mountains of cocaine. But the FBI was watching. One wiretapped phone call brought down the entire $200 million empire.